man, what's good? It's your boy Taizeeproductionz. I know he going crazy. Today I'm gonna be reviewing the Sprayground's Hershey backpack collab. I'm gonna be going over the materials of the bag, how it looks, and what can fit inside of it. Let's get straight into it. Starting off, man, you got the front. Pretty much the bag's imitating a Hershey's bar. You got the wrapper coming off at the bottom. It looks pretty nice. Obviously to the side, you got the big shark bite. I think it looks really nice. It gives the bag a lot of character. I feel like it would look better than not having the shark bite. You also got this small pocket right here that can store a couple of things. Down here, you got the Hershey Sprayground logo. It has a side pocket and it's really nice because it actually holds a lot of stuff and it's Velcro secured. If you want to put a wallet in there or something, you definitely can. Off to the same side, you got a zip tie connecting to the bag. You got the Hershey Sprayground collab. You got the bill. Off to the other side, you just got the shark bite. That's how it looks from the side. On the bottom, you just have regular brown leather. At the top, you got the same brown leather. You also got that signature Sprayground authentic piece on the top. The zippers are like a gunmetal color and it honestly looks really good because it matches up with the Hershey's logo. At the top, you also got a sunglass compartment. It's pretty like soft and stuff and it has a nice amount of space. Off to the back, you got the Hershey's design on the straps. The rest is just all black. You have a lot of nice cushioning on it. The adjustable straps on the backpack feel really nice. Like it's really good quality. I don't think it's gonna be breaking anytime soon. And something I really like is how they connected the straps to the backpack using a red cloth. It really like goes well with the brown. Overall, the looks of this backpack are very solid. It's really nice. That deep rich brown color is gonna go with a lot of your outfits and it's just gonna look really nice. Looking at the interior, you got the Sprayground limited edition tag right here. The inside is made of this like polyester type of material. If you look right here, there's a mesh pocket to hold some of your lighter stuff. Of the things that I tested out, the things that could actually fit in the backpack were a folder, a Chromebook, and a MacBook Pro. And just for those of you wondering, the MacBook also fits in there with a sleeve on it. On the other hand, what couldn't fit was a 2-inch binder and a spiral notebook. To be completely honest, if you're gonna use this backpack for school, you definitely can make it work. But if you're trying to like stuff a bunch of stuff in your backpack, you're definitely not gonna be able to use this for that. If you're thinking about copping this backpack and space isn't like a huge issue for you, then I'll say it's a definite cop. Let me know what you guys think about Sprayground bags down below. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's get it.